Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of a Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, May the 23rd, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle and two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle, but it's time for the binary puzzle for you boys and girls, and this will be number 4593. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double 1, here no, there no. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Yeah. And now. And let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Yeah. Double O, overlooked. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And now, I think we need to compare. Yeah. Do we have here double O? Yeah. Oh, this one is not the same. So here cannot compare. Do we have a double O here? No. Will be difficult. How about the O? No. This will be also difficult. Come on. It's taking too long. 101. Almost the same. Cannot compare this row. How about this column and the first column? 1 empty box 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Okay. And now, can we compare now? Double O. Here, this one I cannot compare. How about here, double O? No, this one I cannot compare. this one, and the last one is almost, no, those are identical. So these two I need to compare here. Yeah. All right. This column and that column, the second column, empty box. 0011 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there. This should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. And now this column and the last column I can compare. Empty box. 0011110011 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there. This should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Completed in 6 minutes. Well. A lot of comparing. Only comparing with the columns. I see. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also over by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And in a minute, I will see you with the last puzzle of today. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.